What's up? Here's an update on my web development. Also, I've been working on other things like game development lately. So, here we go. So, this is my design, my web design, and so far I have um, these are all from the Google Images, and this is how I laid it out. And as you can see, um, I also I'm gonna show you this in my notepad. I have all the HTML. So first time doing HTML, well, first time in a while, like the last time I did HTML was when I was playing Neopets. So here you can see that I have done some of the header, and here I did some images. There's a lot of spacing here because um, I wanted it to be very spaced out, and I know there's a code for spacing it out without actually spacing it out. I just know it. So here I see that I made some font sizes. So I formatted everything and I researched everything, and here's my resources. So that one. So this is the W3 school that I use, and I kind of play around with it. So let's go back to that code. Oh yeah, I'm using Notepad, and I learned how to do HTML on Notepad, and then I just click and drag it. And the extension that I used was HTML.html, and then I dragged it onto the web page, and then it gave me that look. So I was surprised how much I have learned, and like how much similar it is to my web design. So I'm very, very happy with it. And here is my button. Here's the size I mentioned, the font. Here is the images. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And I learned how to make a rectangle. Whoopee! So that's everything. And let's see. It's very neat. So let's take a look at the websites that I made. So yeah, I clicked and dragged, and then that's what I made. So nothing works, it's just text and images, and like I would need to code this part where I just click here on the arrow, and apparently I think JavaScript you or CSS you can have the images slide, so you can click on the arrow and then it would slide. But yeah, it was too complicated, and I only use HTML, and I didn't I think I used the very first HTML, not the HTML5. So yeah, very old school. Snap and share. Yeah, it's all made up. It's a mock version of a jewelry store. Yeah, so if I were to have a jewelry store, then, yeah. Uh, there. Subscribe. And that's my web page. Very happy with it.